Good morning, truckers of the United States and the world. Today I have a recipe for you. It's kind of like egg benedict with scramble over some rice cake. It's never done before. I'm the first one doing it, showing it to you. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, first let's get down here into our fridge. We have our pre-cooked beef. This is not ground beef. This is chunk beef that been cooked for like 24 hours, slowly cooked. My wife does for me, and I showed her how to do it. And I made some scrambled egg with this on it, and the rice cake. I wish I have some cheese, but I don't. So we are gonna be using the rice cooker of this recipe right here. Okay, we got the rice cooker, and boom. Rice cooker is already warming up. Little olive oil there. All right, boom. Got the rice cakes over here. Always, this is the light salted, no flavor on it. Okay, nice and healthy always. Okay, all right. Now we need the eggs. Okay, got the eggs over here. 4 eggs. Got a cup over here. Okay, I'm gonna put the rice cakes all over here on the back, and I'm gonna crack 4 eggs. Four eggs. Done. Got my wipes over here. Always wipes. Keep it clean. Everything clean. Now, this may look cheap, but actually it helps you controlling the amount of salt that you do on your recipe. So I got this little package of salt and pepper that I take from the gas station. Love Trade, TA, petrol, whatever. And 3 of salt, 2 of pepper is for me the perfect combination. So that's enough seasoning right there. Okay, now we need a fork, and with the fork we're gonna whip it. Now whip it, whisk it. Okay, it's a little whisk, don't need much. You wipe, boom, boom, boom. Save that for later. Okay, we got the eggs. They go into the rice cooker. You see it? Right there. Oh. Okay, now we turn it around and we start the cooking. In the meantime, it's gonna take a little while, okay? We have a plate. Finish cleaning this fork. Okay. All right. Okay. So now we got the rice cakes over here. Da-da-da-da. Boom. Two rice cakes, and this go back into the bag. Keep it fresh. Yeah. Okay. we may use some Korean hot sauce. Okay, right here. So we need a spatula. This one will do. Okay. Scrambled eggs. When they are halfway cooked, we're gonna add the meat. Shred it. Put it on top. If I have cilantro, I'm gonna put some cilantro. Yes, sir. I got cilantro. Yes, got cilantro. Yeah, cilantro is life. And also, I'm gonna show you how I do my sauces that I use for a lot of stuff. Okay, I don't use mayo. Mayo have a lot of calories and I have a lot of sodium too. So this is a healthy way to make your own sauces or dressings for salads. Use it for whatever you want, dips and wings, sandwiches, anything. So what I got? Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt, plain, no sugar, no salt. So high in protein. You can add anything to it. You can add some Korean hot sauce, chipotle, Tabasco. You can put spices if you want, garlic, onion, paprika, chili pepper, chili flakes, anything you want, curry powder. Make your own thing, and you mix it up, and there you have it. All right. I actually mix it up. I only put the spices on the top. I mix it all the way to here only. When it's finished, the next I put something different. Everything kind of mix, but it works with everything, you know. And for us on the track, you know, also can be too picky, but it's really good. And you can eat as much as you want, and it doesn't have, like I say, a lot of calories or sugar on it, stuff like that. I'm gonna close my fridge. Okay, now that takes probably a while. So in the meantime, you can do some workout or whatever you want. It's gonna take a while, and we can put our meat now. Okay, come put the meat on it. Make sure it's still working and running. And give it about 5 minutes, and then we check on it. Okay. All right, we are almost done with the cooking of the eggs, so let's set it up. All right, so I don't like my eggs too dry, so what? Woo! So when it's about like this, running on the top, you know, the bottom is like really hot and kind of maybe overcooked the ones on the bottom. So I mix everything up, and that's how they still kind of juicy. All right. So right now I'm like kind of chopping the meat, you know, to spread everything, and it's gonna be a little bit messy. It's not gonna be like a restaurant quality, but here they go. Okay, boom, boom, tap right there, like that. Yeah, look at that. You know, I have a Volvo, and I don't have a really nice table to do this right now, but you know, I want to show you that it can be done. You know, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's too much. It's too much. But it's a late breakfast, so it's not gonna last much. I'm gonna kill this. Okay, now put the back in there, and help with the cooking. Put some water in there, so you know it doesn't get so dry. Now, mamma mia, mezzo male. All right, got the hot sauce, and where is it? What the hell I did with it? Oh, mommies, I lost it. Ha, it's right here. Okay, that's our sauce. That's our sauce. Okay, let's get this fork, and it's gonna drizzle, trying to drizzle, drop it like this, without making a mess. Okay. Alright, not enough. That's enough. Okay? Keep organized, man. Like a cartoon. Now, cilantro time. Okay? A bunch of cilantro. Still on it. Still on the wrap they come out. With your scissors. Put as much as you want to. Okay, you use always from the top and from the back. Okay. 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 That's what happened. Okay. So we save it. Save that. Okay. I like it spicy, so I'm gonna put some drops of this Korean hot sauce on it. And now you can judge. How's that look? Alright, alright. Gonna give it a try right away, okay? Okay. Damn, this is loaded. Wow. Wow, it's the bomb, bro. Wow. Tastes good, smells good, looks good. Wow. Mamma mia. Oh. Woo. Oh, spicy too. You can do this. You don't want it on the rice cake, you can do it on bread. I try not to use gluten because I'm sitting all the time for so many hours. So gluten in your stomach, it's not helping you. Oh. Yeah. That's what happened with my beer. Mmm. 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 Mmm.